All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy EJ coming back to you guys with another review. This time it's going to be on the Insta360 X4. Yep, I'm not really doing the upgrade from the X3. Actually, I gave my X3 to my son so he can use it while he's doing his little drift car stuff. So I got me an X4 instead of buying another X3 just to give this one a try out. This one has, as you know, the new 8K video. And we're going to just pretty much open it up and see what all it got coming in. There go the back side of the box, the side, and the other side, you know. So, as Insta360 always do, their packaging is usually always good. So, we're going to see what we got with this bad boy. I do know, unfortunately, my X3 accessories is not going to work. I don't really know how I feel about that. My X3 accessory is not really working on the X4. Pretty good packaging here. So, yeah, here we go. Let's see what we got in the box. Woo, right there on the top, the X4. It feels pretty good. It's definitely bigger. It don't feel heavier, but it's definitely bigger. Yeah, it's definitely bigger than the X3. I do have a lot of accessories that's coming for this unit here, but I haven't got them yet. So I was kind of waiting to do the unboxing when I got the accessories, but I had to do a separate one for all the accessories that I got with this thing because you definitely need some accessories. Let's see what's all coming in this box, huh? Some candy. I wouldn't eat that if I was you, but there it is. Standard safety guide, waterproofing guide. I never did use my X3 in the water, so maybe I'll try to use this X4 in the water. Pretty sure this is just let's see, what else they got up in here? These lens covers. That's something they didn't do with the X3. They did not give you lens covers. Let's see it in the box. Let's see what this is. I think those lens covers are the standard lens covers. They got some premium lens covers that you have to buy separately. I normally don't use the lens covers because they can affect your video if you're using the lens cover. So a lot of times I don't use the lens covers. I have something else that I use. Like I say, it's coming in the mail. I haven't made it yet. They're actually giving you a case. Yeah, they're actually giving you a case. Now, they didn't do this with the X3 either. They didn't give you a case with it. Okay. Well, standard wipe off cloth. Thermal grip. I didn't think this was going to come with it, but they gave me a thermal grip. Feel like it's plastic. And, of course, the trusty USB-C charging cable. Oh, inside this case, they actually got pockets right here for the lens caps. That's neat. pretty smart idea. So I guess, especially if you get some more lens caps, you can just pop them right in there. Definitely thicker. This is definitely a thicker one. But yeah, it goes right in that case. Put your little lens caps in there too. Probably can get that USB charging cable up in there as well. Thermal case. Boom, there you go. Definitely can't wait to try this one out. Definitely can't wait to get this one to try. Man, where's my selfie stick? Where's the invisible selfie stick at? Like, no, I'm just kidding. The invisible selfie stick is really not invisible, y'all. You can actually see it. The only thing that makes this stick invisible is the software that's inside of the camera. So you're not going to lose your selfie stick because you can't see it, because you can actually see it. So don't worry. You don't have to worry about losing the stick because you can see it. That's the disclaimer. You can't see it. This is the Insta360 Power Stick. Pretty sure this camera is going to work with it. I hope. This thing is a little bit bigger. Oh man, that USB cable got to reach from here to up there. So, that's going to be pretty interesting. But this is the Power Stick. So it actually can charge up your Insta360 while you're using it. And you can also start and stop recording right here. And you can also change the modes with this button here. It can extend out, of course, the normal 360 way. So you can get all your video shots in. I actually got the smaller standard 360 stick, but a lot of my hikes are very long, so I do like using this one because it gives me the extra battery power, even though you can just pop this battery out of the side and swap the batteries. I'll probably buy me some extra batteries sometime soon, but yeah. I normally use this with a 128 or 256 SD card. I usually don't go higher than a 256. Because I try to take my videos off the camera as fast as possible. I don't try to store a lot of videos on the SD card. I just try to get them off. But yeah, this is going to be a quick unboxing and basically showing you what you get when you buy the X4. Insta360 is amazing. I actually have the Ace Pro as well. I use both of these in combination with each other, especially when I'm doing action type hikes and stuff like that, or kayaking or fishing or parasailing or whatever. I like using these two items, you know, much better than using your big camera, you know, or your cell phone. I'd rather drop this than to drop my cell phone or my big camera. So anytime I'm doing anything that involves action, I'm definitely going to use my Insta360, this X4, or my Ace Pro. I'm actually going to buy me another Ace because they got them on sale right now for $229. So check that out if you need an action camera. You can pick that Ace up for $229 now. So I'm definitely going to give me another one. That'll give me 2 Ace cameras. And since I have so many accessories left for the X3, I might try to go on Marketplace or something like that and buy me another X3 just to have it. Don't need to, but it's kind of hard to sell those accessories, you know, to people versus just buying another camera, just using the accessories, just keeping them. Especially if this X4 that cord doesn't work with this X4, I'm definitely going to need an X3 because this thing here comes in good. And the X3 video is amazing. I'm not going to really say that you need to upgrade if you got the X3 to the X4, but if you definitely a newbie and you just coming in, I would just go ahead and pick up the X4 over the X3 just to get some of that good, juicy 8K video out of it, you know. But that's going to be the end of this review because we just wanted to open it up. I'm going to get that battery charged up, slap a memory card in it, and then I'm going to go on a hike somewhere and test it out, see how I like it. I don't really feel a weight difference, you know. Comment below if you got the X4 and you had the X3 and you feel a weight difference in it. Let me know. But right now, I would have to go walk a little bit just to see if there's a weight difference, or compare when I get another X3, just compare it to see if there's a weight difference. Because I don't really feel like there's a weight difference in it, even though this camera is definitely bigger, but I don't feel like there's a huge weight difference between this one and the X3. Like, it feels the same to me right now. I'm gonna try it on my standard invisible selfie stick and see if I feel a difference then. But with this, I don't really feel a difference. But that's going to be the end of the video, you guys. You know, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because we got a lot of more good videos coming up, a lot of more reviews and stuff like that coming up, a lot more places since all the hurricane and the bad weather stuff done passed by. So hopefully we clear to go on some more adventures and stuff like that, you know. But other than that, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.